Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to a very beautiful session. What's up? How are you? Why is farewell happening? So this farewell doesn't mean you should never come back to our channel. Nothing like that. So tomorrow everything will be revealed. You will get to know. But for now, I just want to thank all of you. So इसलिए मैंने सोचा we'll just have this very nice session where I will get a chance to thank the entire team and you. That's all. Yes, yes, they all are good, doing good. हाँ, chemistry तो like I will be teaching on this channel. Okay, even if you're like, please रवि मैम को निकाल दो, then also I won't go anywhere. हाँ. Hey Mahir, that's nice. So I have this very nice video. So I don't know how many of you have attended those sessions. You remember there were a few sessions where we played games and where we had these mentee. Huh? You remember? Or you forgotten? Children's Day ke time pe. You remember? Hi Sanadhya. So I have just combined all those clips and have made a very small video. So let's watch it. Okay. I wish I could have added your pictures or messages there, but that was not possible. So you can only see me. But क्या कर सकते हो? Let's do it. Hi Shreya. I'll play it now. Oh wait. No. This should be playing from the beginning. Our first session, you remember? I had come live for the first time. And this is Ask Me Anything, where you had asked me lots of questions, live pay and even in the Google form. So the first session, my internet was not fine. And I was so nervous that I didn't know what to do. Okay, like I didn't even know. I was very confused and like I had forgotten how to stream, even though everyone had taught me. Even Abhishek sir was like, "Mom, start the streaming." I was like, "What to do? How to do it?" So, but thank you so much for your support. There were so many students, and you said, like the amount of love which I received on the first day will always be there. Are you new teacher? Okay, I am only new now. Chalo. Anything. You remember this one? Children's Day one? Children's Day ka. Guess the movie. Hi Ashutosh, of course. Which I recorded. And this is Christmas. I have changed a lot, I know, right? Vidhi was very happy, when I said Oswald. She's like, yeah, that's my favorite cartoon. Is she here? I know, right? So I don't know, I look different in every single video. I had to collect these clips from different videos. So I was like, okay, Surabhi, is this you? Why do you look so different? I know, I felt the same. So thank you so much, the fun we have had. And if you see, observe, I'm really really genuinely happy when I come live every single day and teach you all. So thank you so much. Which song is this in the video? Journey to the end? Yeah. So now it's, see, again I am not asking you never, not to come back to this channel. It's just that I want to give you a proper farewell, which you must have missed because of this pandemic. So I just want to tell you how you have spent this year, how you have made new friends. So this is only for this reason I thought we'll just come up with this session. Last time bye. Why last time? You have to be there in all the live videos, ठीक है? Why will you leave me? So thank you so much, and now I don't know what to say, because so I want to bid goodbye to 10th. That's all, not to you, because I'm sure you will be there, you will come to my live sessions, because tomorrow you will get to know what will be happening in this channel. I'm sure you will never want to leave, but still, Haka suno na Hanji. You have to come every time. आज की क्लास में मैं आऊँ 9th वाली. आ जाओ 9th वाली. Which one? Today? At 8 p.m. there is a class. Oh, there's a big surprise. We are like, knock knock, who is in the town? Somebody is coming to elementary chemistry, but we have no idea who is it. So we want you to guess. Naman, I guess so. I don't remember. I'll just check and let you know. 11th will come. Pakka. Hi Aditya. Which town? Elementary chemistry by Vedantu town. Love you all. So a big thank you for trusting us. So I'm sure it's like Vedanta 9th and 10th is such a huge channel. I'm sure you all learn, but still, when we launched this channel, there were so many students and we have grown together. Of course there were students from different grades, 11th, 12th students also, they attended few sessions, even 8th now who are in 9th, or the students who have moved to 10th. So you all have been there, but a big thank you for all of you for trusting us, because you don't know what that single comment means to us. When we just go through the comment section, not only me, our SME who's really working really hard. So he must be watching this video now. Hey Pradeep, thank you so much. Can you say thank you to Pradeep and Seema? Yes. Say thank you Pradeep and Seema, because they, even though you cannot see their faces, they are working really hard, from planning to preparing the content and everything. So they are with me. So I have the best team. Very good. So you guys were my first students. So because this was the first time I was live on YouTube, and I remember, so first we used to just premiere the videos, and every day, under that video I could see the comments saying, please live aa jao, even though for few reasons I couldn't come live and teach you, but still you were there, you never left. So thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you so much for letting me teach my favorite subject, for learning this beautiful subject. We had so much fun. So as you can see in those videos, there are so many videos where you guys have made me laugh. I have tried to do the same. So we have had so much fun. So thank you so much for this. I don't know. I know, right? See, Pranav. So there are few comments. Of course, there are I guess thousands of comments under if we just collect all the comments from all the videos, but we have collected few. So thank you so much. Your Hindi is super awesome. Who is this? Kushi, are you here? Huh? Where is Khushi? She was here. So thank you so much for this wonderful session. Thank you so much. Sometimes, yeah, as Pranav said, whenever I teach these foundation series, there will be less number of students. So what I would like to say is, even if there is single student, so don't worry, I will teach with the same enthusiasm. That is something which, the number of subscribers or the likes or views, yes, it matters. But for me, someone has learned something on that day matters a lot than these numbers. So thank you so much. Quality content taken freely. Okay, this is Pranav. Pranav is also here. Malhar is here. The session was amazing. Thank you so much. These comments motivate us every single day. So thank you so much, Shobnek, Srilata. Amazing session, Akka. Amazing Chechen. Where is Mishti? Hi, hello, hi Aditya. All the best. Hi Navina. So amazing work, Chechen. Really enjoy a lot. I also enjoy teaching you a lot. So great, excited. See, this is what I talk about. I really enjoy whenever I'm live. So, woohoo, yeah, we are now family of 34,000. Okay, that's from Srilata. Thank you so much, even though we have lost few subscribers now. That's okay. Kemalicious. Hey, Sujal, are you here? Hey, we are now in 10th. Excited. Tanu was here, na, just now. हिंदी में बाय बोलो 10th को. हिंदी में आप सबको धन्यवाद मेरी क्लासेस अटेंड करने के लिए, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करने के लिए, इतना सा सपोर्ट देने के लिए. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. और what else am I supposed to say? Yeah, thank you so much. So I see Aditya also. Nishant is like, how did you wrote your Hindi exam? Please tell. You got 100 on 100. Where is he? Where is Nishant? अलविदा ना कहना, मुझे अलविदा ना कहना. Why Raghav? Why? Thanks ma'am, I'll try to write. I don't know Preetham, so you have thanked me. Thank you so much. This is Chirag. You already know, right? So as soon as I completed my masters, I joined the school in my hometown. I wanted to teach these little kids, 5th, 6th, 7th ka. I really love kids. So there I used to teach math and science. You might be wondering, Surabhi ma'am and math, but addition, subtraction mein I'm very good. So I taught them. So Chirag is from here, from that school. Ma'am, say something to me. You are ignoring me. I'm not ignoring you. Come on. RIP Hindi. I was teaching bio, physics, chemistry, everything. Math, are you kidding me? That's what I know. You'll come after engineering also. That's my student. Come on, give me a high five. Amma suno, Hanji, bolo na. Physics also, see, 5th, 6th, 7th mein kya hoga? It's basic science, na? I can teach. Raghav. Aditya is like, what's that knock session? You need to wait till 8 p.m. Ma'am is OP. Yes, you also OP. What is your percentage in 10th and 12th? Aditya ji, how many times should I tell you? Suchi, waiting for the session. Ma'am, you're great and you influence us a lot. Thank you so much. So there are these students, handful of students whose name I can remember and all that, who have actually fallen in love with the chemistry after joining the channel. So that makes me really happy and proud. So thank you so much. Ma'am is topper. Ma'am is very beautiful. Oh, Sayantan, thank you so much. She becomes more beautiful when she wears her specs. So you are asking me to wear my specs, but I won't. Siddharth ka comment, I guess I have replied, na? ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀಲತಾ, ವರುಣ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಜಿ? Bidisha, akka, sweet voice, chubby smile, superb Hindi. Why are you guys behind my Hindi? I don't get it. Like, why? Huh? You guys are being so sarcastic now. Like, awesome Hindi, superb Hindi, mom's Hindi is OP. Will you teach chemistry in 11th? Okay. So you will get to know that tomorrow. Please wait till 3 p.m. There is this double dhamaka and this session is going to be super fun. I'm already excited. Oh, beautiful. Yes, Sudesi. So our Hari is here. So he'll be always there. That I know. Even though he couldn't attend the entire session, he has always come at least to make sure that okay, Surabhi ma'am is doing fine. Okay, chalo. Hi. Theek ho? Sab kuch theek hai? Bye bye. I'm leaving. As I told you earlier, these comments mean a lot to me and the entire team. You know, whenever we just go through the comment section, you're like, yes, we are doing a good job. You know, and this even motivates us to do better, to do more. And I am not even like sugarcoating things here. I'm not even like lying. I am really amazed with your curiosity. You know, it's not like you don't want to just stick to the academics. You have always wanted to learn more, and that made us okay, we have to come up with some new series. They have to learn so many new things. So never let this go. That thirst for knowledge, always carry it, always question why, who, where, how. That is very, very important. Remember, no question is stupid. Anna? Good. So I learned so many things from my students. Of course, as a teacher, I have to teach you things, but to be honest, I have learned a lot from you as well. And I will keep learning, because, you know, I guess everyone is a teacher. We learn things from everyone. So thank you so much. And for that, what language is that? Mishti ji, help me here. Thank you so much for that as well. So you have all given so much love and respect, Akka. Okay, so this is Pradeep ka job with heart and all that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. There are 2 mini Surabhis thanking you all for your love and support, respect. So this channel will be always here, even though, you know, of course you will be busy, but still make sure to drop in and say hi at least. Thank you. It's time for us to bid you a goodbye, which I'm really not very happy. I don't want to do it, but even though it is difficult for us, all the very best, all the very best. I'm really, really, really happy with the kind of students we have. We are really fortunate to have so many good students. So every student is good, right? It's not like whoever scores well, okay, like I consider them as good students. Who are like, I don't like chemistry. So even you are a very good student. So you make us, you know, work hard. And because for me, it's not about okay how a topper can understand a topic, right? For someone who is having this trouble to understand a topic, you know, I want to explain it in that way where even that kid can understand it. So thank you so much for being around. It's time to move to class 11, but you can still write mails to the same mail ID and attend the sessions. You can follow these sessions, Vedantu channels for class 11. I'm sure you already know this, but yeah, keep working hard. All the very best. A big thank you and love. Bye bye. Take care.